Hey guys, today we will be having a review of the free range ParaPurge. Is it a parasite cleanse miracle or is it a scam? By the way, welcome to Tutorials by David. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the controversial free range ParaPurge, a so called 25-day parasite cleanse that's been making the rounds online. So the makers claim it clears your gut of parasites, their eggs, and toxic debris using herbal ingredients. You take one capsule every 8 hours for 10 days, then pause 5 days, then repeat. But let's separate hype from fun facts. There's no solid clinical evidence that over the counter herbal cleanses reliably eliminate parasites in humans. Meanwhile, user reviews paint a troubling picture. Many customers accuse the company of shady billing, unexpected $49.99 subscription charges, multiple debits, and poor customer service. Others also say that they never received their product or that delivery took excessively long enough. In short, while Parapurge might not be an outright miracle, it's fraught with red flags. If you suspect a parasite infection, your safest bet is to see a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and evidence-based treatment. Don't rely on unverified supplements.